Let's go.
Hanging that bitch.
Oh, of course. Let's go, dog. How you feeling, bro?
Ready to get knocked out again.
Bro, did you feel like weird that night, or was it pretty straight?
It was alright. It was like 3 days after. It was like...
You had like a headache or some shit, or?
Yeah, it was real bad.
Damn. We got the homie with the Suzuki 85 who got knocked out in last video. But in this video, he gonna be shredded. No one's getting knocked out, so. You use like the Lucas oil? The blue one, or no?
I just found some shit in my shed. It was for boats.
You using some boat oil for this? Yeah. Is it the same thing?
I think so.
Oh. I love them 2-strokes. Let's flip and go, bro. Yeah, that thing sounds crispy. Let's go. Up. Vibing on that little 85. Let's hit a little race. Yeah, why not? Alright, I'm about to race the Suzuki 85. You want to start it or me?
Start the race?
Yeah, you start it and then I'll go. I thought the 150 would blow an 85, but bro, they're so close. Yo, this thing is fast.
It's pretty quick, yeah. You
bro,
want it?
Yeah, let's switch, but let's...
You gotta remind me next time to bring a GoPro. I'll put it right there.
Yeah, bro, why don't you record? I would say, bro, you should record the riding, because, like, you just never know what's going to happen. Like last time, bro, you could have some gnarly footage. Yeah. There's one plastic and...
It only has one radiator.
What? That's gnarly, it only has one side. Bro, we're on the 85 right now. There. Let's go. Boy, whipping that 150. It's crazy how these are like the same exact speed. Yo, this thing is freaking...
I remember you were talking about this thing being like a mini 450. I can see what you mean now.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's smooth.
Bro, especially I feel like wheelies, bro, it's like almost a cheat code. Like,
yeah, it is.
you can keep it like at coaster so much easier than other bikes. That thing feels good.
I'm gonna have to get me one of those.
That's what I'm saying. One of these little cheat code bike. It's good, bro. Last time I seen someone freaking go up on that railing, it was not good. We're just vibing out here. It's a beautiful day. Happy Thanksgiving, because I'm gonna freaking, or maybe I'll post this after Thanksgiving, I don't know, but I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Bro, I have no clue where the hell I'm going right now. I don't know where this goes, so it might be a dead end. You good? It's a dead end. Let's go. A little daily donut real quick. the vibe. What are you doing? Oh my lord. Oh, you fell in here. Slide out! Hey! Let's go! Alright, we're hitting the jump. Hey, go that way, that way. Oh, never mind, never mind. You trying to get all muddy or no?
Not really.
Yeah, me neither. Woo! Oh, balls! Bro, you're shredding the trails though, bro. So you never rode like dirt bike tracks growing up?
Not track.
Damn, bro. I'm always so scared in the trails. I feel like I'm gonna slip out even with f***ing dirt tires.
Yeah.
So I want to see what this handles some trails like. Let's go! Enjoyed today's video, just shredding with the homies out here. I just did the throttle hand throttle hand, one hand off. I freaking love you. Remember, stay motivated. Till next time. Peace. Let's go.